Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a seamless Instagram puzzle feed in Canva. We're building a 9-tile Instagram grid that feels like one connected design. It's perfect for showcasing a product line, a mood board, or a visual story, and you can do it with a free Canva account. A puzzle feed is a great way to make your Instagram profile look cohesive and professional. Even if you're just starting out, using a consistent grid layout can instantly elevate your visual branding and catch more attention from viewers. Start by opening Canva and using the search bar at the top. Type Instagram puzzle feed and browse the results. Look for any puzzle-style grid, collage, or 9-square layout template. Pick a layout that matches your vibe. You can always customize colors, fonts, and images later. Most templates are already set up for Instagram squares, which keeps the slicing simple. When selecting a template, think about your content strategy. For product lines, look for clean layouts with room for text overlays. For mood boards or lifestyle visuals, choose templates with creative overlaps and patterns that flow across the grid. Now, add your photos. On the left sidebar, click Uploads, upload your images, and drag them right into the puzzle boxes. If a photo doesn't fit perfectly, double-click to adjust the crop. Use the image edit tools to tweak brightness and contrast so your photos feel cohesive. Try repeating a few colors or textures across the grid for a unified look. Consider adding a subtle color overlay or filter across all photos. This helps tie different images together, making the puzzle feed look more polished and harmonious. Next, edit text and elements. Click any text and replace it with your captions, quotes, or key messages. Keep font choices consistent. One headline font and one body font is usually enough. Move shapes, lines, and stickers to match your aesthetic. The position and align tools help keep everything tidy, and snapping guides will keep your spacing even. To make it a true seamless puzzle, let design elements cross over the square boundaries. For example, extend a line, a background pattern, or a large headline so it continues across multiple tiles. This creates that connected look once it's posted. Keep your style consistent throughout. Same color palette, fonts, and spacing. Avoid placing important faces or text directly on the slice lines. Give them a little breathing room. Zoom in to 150% or 200% and scan along the edges to ensure lines and shapes meet cleanly. Save your original design before slicing. This way, you can easily update images or text later without recreating the entire grid from scratch. When you're happy, it's time to slice it into 9 squares. Go to the top right, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG as the file type for crisp quality. You'll see an option to split into Instagram posts. If you don't see it, click More, then Instagram Grid and choose Split. Canva will generate 9 perfectly sized tiles for you. Finally, export and post. Download the slice grid, then upload to Instagram starting from the bottom right tile and working to the top left. Posting in that order ensures the finished puzzle appears correctly on your profile grid. Post them in one session to keep the sequence intact, and you're done. For even more engagement, consider adding interactive elements like questions, polls, or mini call to actions in your captions for each tile. This keeps viewers exploring your entire puzzle feed. That's it for today's video. Now you know exactly how to create a seamless Instagram puzzle feed in Canva that looks cohesive, professional, and visually striking. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips, Instagram hacks, and creative design tutorials. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a new video.